Are you interested in eating fewer animal products or maybe even none at all? Would you like to know how to thrive on a plant-based lifestyle? I'm Robbins from Food Revolution Network, and we've helped tens of thousands of people successfully and healthfully implement a whole foods plant-based lifestyle. We created the totally free Guide to Going Plant-Based to help you succeed as well. Our aim is to empower you to take advantage of the extraordinary health benefits of a plant-rich diet so you can enjoy more vitality, more well-being, and a positive impact on the world. This is your step-by-step guide to success if you want to enjoy the health benefits of eating more plants. I think you're going to love it. Just enter your name and email right on this page to get your free guidebook. And that's not all. You'll also get free access to the food and health event of the year, the 2026 Food Revolution Summit Docuseries, The Science of Health and Wellness. Since 2012, this has become the world's #1 event for food revolutionaries, inspiring millions of people. I'm hosting this summit along with my co-host, registered dietitian nutritionist Nicole D'Andrea Ressert. We're going to share the biggest food and health discoveries of 2026 through 8 captivating episodes. We're gathering 41 of the world's leading experts to bring you groundbreaking discoveries in the world of nutrition and well-being. You deserve to know the truth about your food, where it comes from, how it will impact your health, and which specific foods can help you thrive. Just enter your name and email right on this page to join hundreds of thousands of healthy food lovers in the free Summit docuseries. Once you do, we'll send you your complimentary guide the rest of your life. Let's do this.